Guys, let's analyze this market. So this is another update on what is it called? This is GBP USD. So let's do this market analyzing. So the first thing you need to do when you want to analyze market on the because when you selected the pairs that you want to analyze, the first thing you do, you go to your 4 hours time frame. You understand? Just simple as that. 4 hours time frame. From there you can see the the trend. So after 4 hours time frame, you can also go back to daytime 1 day time frame. From there you can see the market, then you can zoom in for you to see how the trend of the market. As you can see right now on a day, we have downtrend. So let's see 1 week. So 1 week you can see it's always downtrend. So let's go back to day. Now I've seen what I wanted. Go back to day trend. So now it's 1 week, a day trend. Everything was downtrend, which is fairly trend. So from there, I want to start analyzing right now. We start from 1 hour. So we start from 4 hours. So on my 4 hours, what I'm going to looking up to is where to buy or where to sell. But due to what I'm seeing, maybe we are going to be looking for buying and selling same time. So before that, to analyze this market, we have to mark out our down point and the upper point. So here is the down point, here is the upper point. So let me call it, here is our support, the biggest one, and here is our resistance. So here is the biggest one. So in this stage, I'm going to mark out these two first. Okay, just to give me exact what I want. One, in case the market pass through this structure and not this one, this where the market will not touch before it will not revise back. So what I'm going to do, I will just mark those places out because it's very important. Here is the highest upper trend. So like this, mark it out just like that, simple as that. We're on 4 hours time frame, so like that. So I've saw that. Then I will also mark the other positions out here. This is when we are going to working on. We are going to be using, for example, if we want to sell, this will be looking up to for this market to get to before it will revise back. So I will also mark that out. So I will also mark the upper side out, because why are we doing that? This is where the market will get to revise back, which is very important. You understand? It's pretty simple. This is why I always tell people, learn how to make money on the forex trade. And there's a lot to be learned, which I understand, but I'll tell you, forex trade is pretty simple. If you want to learn, forget all the whole things they call whatever and whatever. But if you can understand analyzing, you are good to go. So right now I'm going to go to my 1 hour time frame. So my 1 hour time frame, bro, this is what we have. So right now this is where we are going to be working. This is where we are going to be working on, because this is what we really need. So right now I will draw out another place where the market can also get rejection from. Market works with forex market work with what is it called, structure. And every structure, everywhere you have a big structure, market must revise back, or it must do maybe a retracement before it will break break of structure. So you all need to mark out those places. Like this market right now, I think it's still on selling position because we are on weekend. So we know weekend forex is not working. So we are on weekend. This market is still on selling position, but there is a probability that this market is still going to sell down. So there is a probability this market is going to go here and revise back. So we are going to mark those places out, which is we have here. You see, we have this structure right here, and the market can revise back from there. And we also have here. Also remember, we also have here, I have soft trade, bro. We also have here market can also revise back, but we're going to leave that. No hard feelings about that. So we'll mark all the whole places out where we know this market is going to be getting rejection. So then we also mark here out. We also have structure there. So another thing that I'm going to be putting here, I'm going to be drawing another place where this market trend. So from here I'm going to be doing this because I seen that this market has a lot of touches right here. So I will draw this also. If you look at this place, you see, look at what we have here. You can also draw from here to this place just to take a good side, because here is upper trend and I like doing this. Then for just for me to have a good view on how the market went. Then from here we just take this one up here, or we just put it here so that I can be seeing it when I'm on 15 minutes time frame. We know that we have that trend here, that trend for this week also. It's very important and you need that also. Then from here we just take this one from here just to also have a better view on that, you know. Like this is okay. Or I can also drag this up here, you know. It's no problem, it doesn't matter, it's out of here. That was the reason why I put it here before, but it's still same thing. We still have our down trend there. You can also leave this one here. If you want to put this one back here, you can also put it back there to have a better view. So in this case right now we have to go back to we have to go to 30 minutes time frame. On our 30 minutes time frame we have something like this. So right now we have to work on all these places have to be worked on. So like I said before, we have our recent market selling also. So we're going to be looking for selling and buying. You know, in more cases you have to have a better idea, like good idea on the market, because market can also revise back and it can also go to the right side that it was going before. So in this place right now we are on 30 minutes time frame. I'm just giving you easy analysis. I'm not here to talk about a whole lot of things using words that will confuse you and all that. I'm here to do that. I'm just here to give you a simple analysis that market is very easy to analyze if you do the proper thing. So after doing that, you can also mark this place out. Market can reject back here because we have a lot of structure here. See, from here to this place we have a lot of structure. So let us put it there. Always remember, don't ignore any places, because market is not our friend. You understand? We do our analysis, we wait for the market to play along with what we analyze. So like right now I want to do reset. You do reset of chart. In reset of chart it will give you such thing. Why are we doing that? We just want to see how the chart is going. So right now we can also have market can also get reject from here, because if you look at this place we have structure here, and look at the whole line, we have structure. So don't always hesitate not to mark them out. It's very important, because if this market got here, it might reject back and it can also break this structure and move from up, or it can also go up a little bit, upper trend or whatever. Also this place can also reject market back. You understand? Don't always forget not to mark it. Don't get carried away by trying to say it. You don't know, because even here can reject market back, but I will leave that. So for now this is what we have, you see. So let me finish up with this analysis. Let me take this one here, because we are working on this side. So let me go to my 15 minutes time frame. That is where we end up the whole thing. So now this is what we have. So for me to get this, I'm going to be looking for buy when this market got here, but we are going to listen to what the market will tell us. For us to do that, I will put also drawing here, because from this place market can revise back, and we have to put that here. Remember what I told you, I'm looking for a buy, and this market can also sell. Why do I say so? Because if we have break of structure here, that means this market is going down. So what am I going to do? I will just put this one right here, then from here I will look for buy. What will give me buy? I have to wait for this market to get to this position to get revised back. So what am I going to do? For me to confirm this buying here, I have to set everything properly. So I'm going to looking for confirmation from here. Let me just put it this way, because this market is not moving right now. This market can't tell us what we need to know. Then I will be putting this one at the bottom, my stop loss in this place. I'll write everything out later on because I just want to set my entries, my support, and my take profit. So in this case, I'm not going to be, like I said before, I'm not going to be ignore every opportunity that this market gave to us. You understand? So I'm going to put myself first TP here, then my second TP will be at this place, then my third TP will be at this point. So what I'm going to do right now, I will just bring this one down a little bit because this is where my third TP will be at. Because look at it, after this place, if this market had the opportunity to get here, this is going to be our first TP. You understand? If you have to know how many pips we have from here to my entrance, you can also get that. So we have 36. 36 is also a good, it's also a good thing, also a good what is it called, good pips. So that is good. Like for now, let me remove this one here. Let me just use this one to do everything. So I'm coming, my computer is, the battery is low. Let me put on charger, so okay, we are good to go right now. So as you can see, guys, so let me zoom out so that we'll be able to see everything clearly. So right now, let me write everything out where we have our entry. So like I said, I'm going to looking for buying. So let me say buy zone. So here we have our buy zone here. Our buy zone is right here, you know, or I can bring it down a little bit. I'm just using this to analyze market for you guys, to make you guys understand how you analyze market. It's pretty simple. It's not that easy. Market give us everything that we need to analyze market. Just follow what the market said. That is all. This is stop loss. So remember your stop loss also, bro. It's very important because this market can, look at it, you can just bring it up a little bit because this is where we have structure. I'm just using this to analyze market, and this can also play out if you are going to like use this market for a buy, because if this market get rejected from here, definitely it's going up. So let's take this one down a little bit. Let's take it down so that at least we'll have a place whereby I'm just using me to do example. That is it. Our stop loss, we have our entrance, which is buying zone. Then our first TP will be, let me just say TP, not writing that much, TP1 will be here. Why do I put the TP1 right here? Because we have our first rejection right here, our first structure right here. TP1 will be here. Let me just put it under, or let me put it on the top. Then our TP1 will be there. Then our buy entry confirmation zone will be here for buying, because definitely the market will do a little of will leave a little structure right there. So I'm just using this to analyze the market before you enter. So our first TP will be here. Then we have also second TP. TP2 will be here. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow market is going to be a little bit crazy, you know, although we have a lot of time before the market will start buying or selling, because you know market open around 11 in Italy, 11 p.m. So before 12 the market will be a little bit stable. You can start entering the market, doing whatever you want to do if you want. So in case, we can also put on TP3. So I will explain to you guys the reason why I am setting it on TP1, TP2, TP3. I will explain. So for example, why do I have TP1, TP2, TP3? So the reason why I'm doing this is this. So let me draw this. We have this structure right here that can reverse market. One. We also have this one right here that can reject the market. Two. Then we also have this one right here that can also reject the market. Three. Now that is why we have TP1, TP2, and TP3. Okay, if you look at this market right now, for example, if this market is buy, you buy from here. First of all, the first entry that you enter, you take the first TP here. Then you can also re-enter the market from here. If the market have a broad break of structure here, you can take enter another one. You know that you have already secured the first TP, you enter another one again, boom, TP2. Then if it got broken, if this structure got broken, you can enter another entry again, boom, TP3. That is the reason why we have TP1, TP2, TP3. And another reason why we have TP1, TP2, TP3 is this. Remember, we have structure right here, and we also have structure right here. So what can this do to the market? What effort can this have to the market? Remember, I told you we are not market maker. Remember, market respects structure. This market might revise back from here if this market got here, and same thing can also happen here, and same thing can also happen here. So we have structure here, and if I zoom in, you will see that this market has been selling or buying. They respect structure. Everywhere they have structure, they always respect it. You understand? Because last week we have a similar thing whereby we had the TP1, TP2, and TP3, but at the end of the day, what happened? The market goes to TP2. Wait, let me plug my thing very well. At the end of the day, the market got to TP2 and it revised back. You understand? That is the reason why we're having TP1, TP2, TP3. So for example, let me also tell you something, another thing that you guys can also use. Like for example, if you are to buy this market, you buy. When this market started playing out, you add another second entry or second or third. Then let me say you go to TP1. Take out 2 out of the 3 entry that you enter. It will remain 1. Then that one you divide it into 2. There is a way you do it. I will do all that on my metaphor. You will see it on my video, on my YouTube video. Maybe for example you enter with 30 cent 3 position. Then you got your TP1, close 2 position, it will remain that 1. For you to make a little bit of profit, you can divide that one that is remaining into 2. You take out 15 cent profit away, then you leave 50 cent at the market. Then you can shift your stop loss position to this place. Then if this one is playing out, you can enter again. You re-enter again after when you see that this structure has got broken out, you enter again. From there, TP2 you do the same thing. TP3 you do the same thing. If the market is still going, that is all you do. And remember, from here to this place you can make a lot of money. It doesn't matter. We have 36 pips here. Let me check it again. I think it was before 36. Let's see, right now it's more than, because I adjusted it. So now we have 38 pips. 38 pips can also give you a lot of money, depend on the money you are putting in the market. You understand? Always remember, try and use market what is it called, risk management is very important, like I said before. So right now let me screenshot this. I'll be using it to upload it to my YouTube channel later. So this is what I have for you guys for today. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next one. Ciao ciao.